this one. Get it the right way around, eh? I'm Kevin Flint, Managing Director of Oasis Engineering based in Taronga. We have 50 employees here and we manufacture a range of high pressure gas and hydrogen products. We export to 31 countries in the last year, but we also have a range of products that we do for New Zealand. For me, Industry 4 is about information. Industry 3 is about automation. They often get mixed up together and a lot of people say one is the other, but for me, Industry 4 is all about the information, having the right information quickly, easily at your fingertips so you can make the right decisions. I decided to apply for the assessment because I'd heard about Industry 4 in Germany. We were owned by a German company. I realized how good it was, how much benefit we would get out of it, and thought, yeah, we've got to do this. Since doing the assessment, we have changed a lot. We now have a tie-up with the University of Auckland and we're working on automation and information projects with those guys. And we also part-time hire a contractor who's an IT consultant who helps us improve our information flow.
Gave us some good areas like vertical and horizontal integration and things like that, which made it really clear as to what our roadmap should be, what sort of technologies we should be looking at, and really made it easy to understand that we should be integrating with our ERP systems and trying to keep that all centralized.
I would absolutely do it again. Yeah, it's hard. It takes a lot of time and you've got to put a lot of effort into it, but the return on the investment was worth every second we spent on it. If you're like me and if you believe you cannot manage what you cannot measure, then you need to do the assessment to get the measurements you want.